Good morning, students. This is Anam Siddiqui, your maths teacher. Today I am going to explain you uses of mathematics in our daily life. Let us start with introduction. Children, mathematics is the most beautiful and powerful creation of the human spirit. Have you ever thought what is mathematics? Why we are learning mathematics? And why should we learn mathematics? Let us see. Mathematics is a study of quantity, structure, and space. Mathematics is the cradle of all creation, be it a cook or farmer, a carpenter or a mechanic, a shopkeeper or a doctor. Everyone needs mathematics in their day-to-day life. Even insects use mathematics in their everyday life for existence. Children, mathematics is an abstract science. It is a tool in our hands to make our life simpler and easier. Mathematics is a tool subject. Now, maths has become an inseparable part of our lives, and whether we work in office or spend most our time at home, each one of us uses maths as a part of our everyday life, no matter where we are as well as whatever we are doing. Maths is also there whether you notice it or not. Mathematics is an intellectual game. It has its own language and symbols. Let's talk about its origin. Children, the word mathematics is originated from Greek word mathematica, which means learning. Today, maths is an inevitable part of science and it is used in almost every field. It develops the habit of self-study. Let us see in what ways we can use mathematics in our daily life. In grocery shopping, everyone knows about it. Consider a man going for groceries shopping. He would need to add up the total value of the things he bought and needs to calculate how much change should he ask for back. All that involves maths. In cooking, how would it be useful? Children, you may have noticed your mother in the kitchen while preparing food for you. When we cook, we need to measure ingredients in terms of tablespoon, teaspoon, gram or kilogram. For example, for baking a cake, we require 4 to 5 eggs, 2 cups sugar, some chocolates. Isn't it? In gardening, let us see how it would be useful for farmers. Children, while planting seeds, we have to make rows and columns before planting them. Sometimes we have to calculate the area of the field for sowing seeds. It is commonly used in banking. In banks, people deposit their money and lend money from banks for any purpose. The interest is calculated on the basis of mathematics formulas. Children, in finding the area, maths is also used. In our day-to-day life, we have to calculate the area of any geometrical shapes, like when we whitewash our buildings or purchase a land for construction purposes, etc. If you want to calculate how much paint, flooring or tiles you have to buy for your project, you must know the area of wall and floor. Maths is also used by artists while making paintings as well as during dance performances. Children, now we can say that maths has become an important part of our life and plays an important role in our daily life. Being the queen of all sciences and the king of all arts, it offers a wonderful approach to us to be successful in life. Thank you for listening me.